Hey, hi, this is Rohan, and today we are going to talk about Roman Atwoods and Vitally, the pranks in YouTube. There was a time when pranks had become super viral and super successful, and every other Tom, Dick, and Harry were doing pranks. And one of the two pranksters especially in the YouTube community, were Vitally and Roman Atwood. And I used to watch them very often until Vitally got a mental breakdown, and Roman Atwood's prank became much of a scripted thing visually, and his daily vlogs were the big thing because he has become so popular from the pranks that people used to watch his daily vlogs, and he used to earn much more from his daily vlogs than his pranks. At one time his pranks were a cost and not a profit generating thing, so they both fell down for me and I stopped watching prank. But YouTube saw a big jump in the prank video, fake prank video, crimes in the name of the prank video, and so on. And now I miss them. Not the weird or not so funny pranks which people claim to be prank, and it is literally littering or making people icky about it, but the pranks which were harmful, sorry, the pranks which were harmless and which people used to enjoy when it was real that it was prank, like candid camera pranks in the 90s. Simple thing which did not hurt people, did not cross the boundary, but at the end of it, it was a laugh from the people who got pranked, and that for you also laugh. I miss those simple pranks with the simple premises, and that's it. And perhaps that's the reason pranks has stopped, or it has gone into a scripted category, because people don't want to see the simple silly pranks, but the pranks they do want to see are not really pranks. They are crossing the boundary, and if the person you're pranking on does isn't on the joke, or isn't happy at the end of it, it's not a prank. So you go in the scripted pranks, and the scripted pranks can be seen as scripted, and so it's not so funny. So there are no pranks anymore. So I think it's for the good. But I suddenly got reminded of these two giants who became two giant huge in the YouTube community. But I guess there's an arc in every story, and maybe that was their peak. They will never reach it, like the Gangnam Style person who got very famous because of the Gangnam Style song. But he might never reach his peak, and he will always be reaching. So perhaps if you have not reached the peak, that might be seen as a good thing. Or if you have reached the peak, then you might live your rest of the life cashing on that thing. Perhaps that's not how you imagine living your life, but that's the truth of life, and that's the truth of YouTube. What have you guys watched Roman Atwood of Italy at some point of time? Do let me know. See you guys.